si Kuya. Yeah.
Gabriel M. Academic Excellence with Honors.
Mamaya daw kayo. Excited.
Caleb C.
Aguila Angel Caleb C.
Ang layo natin.
Ayan, nag-warm up na ng mga bata natin. Ayan na, bumabomba-bomba na. Sige, kayod. Ayan na yun, 2 months niyang pinag-ensayuhan. Mangungupi lang din pala. Nangungupi na lang, mali-mali pa. Sarap balikan ng mga ganitong moment nung high school ka. Yung mga ganito lang, hindi yung assignment at project. Yeah, may iwa. Look at Papa. Pinagaya oh.
I know.
I close my eyes and I can see the world that's waiting up for me, that I call my own. Through the dark, through the door, through where no one's been before, but it feels like home. They can say it all sounds crazy. They can say I've lost my mind. I don't care, so call me crazy. We can live in the world that we design, 'cause every night I lie in bed, the brightest colors feel